What if everything you thought you knew about history was a lie? For millennia, powerful forces have quietly rewritten the past, burying humanity's most shocking secret: direct encounters with alien civilizations. Tonight, we pull back the curtain. Tonight, we expose 7 ancient interactions hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. If you're ready to step into the shadows, stay with me until the end, because the truth you're about to hear will change the way you see our world. For centuries, humanity has asked, are we alone? But what if the better question is, who benefits from us believing that? Again and again, traces of ancient encounters surface: texts, artifacts, astronomical anomalies, only to be dismissed, rewritten, or erased. This is why Dark Fact Files exists: to unearth the censored accounts, to challenge the official narratives, to restore the fragments of truth buried under centuries of silence. Tonight, we reveal 7 ancient encounters that historians refuse to touch, and governments prefer you never hear. 1. The Dogon tribe and the Nomo visitors. Long before telescopes existed, the Dogon of Mali described Sirius B, a star invisible to the naked eye, dense, white, and orbiting Sirius A exactly as modern astronomy later confirmed. They said this knowledge came from the Nomo, beings who descended from the sky. How did an ancient tribe know the impossible? 2. The Sumerian Anunnaki. Sumer, the cradle of civilization, claims its gods were not divine spirits, but flesh and blood visitors who descended from the heavens. They gifted agriculture, mathematics, metallurgy. Were they gods or extraterrestrial engineers? 3. The Nazca lines. From the ground, they look like random scratches. From above, perfect shapes: hummingbirds, monkeys, geometric runways. Why build colossal images only visible from the sky, unless they were meant for those who traveled in it? 4. The Laladoff Plate. A 12,000-year-old stone disk showing a classic extraterrestrial figure and a saucer-shaped craft. Coincidence or testimony? 5. The Vimanas. Ancient Hindu texts describe flying machines powered by mercury engines, capable of vertical takeoff and devastating energy weapons. These are not myths, they are technical manuals. 6. The Thule Papyrus. An Egyptian scroll reporting fiery discs hovering over the palace of Pharaoh Thutmose III. Not stars, not omens, craft, information. Why does the Vatican hold the only transcript? 7. Ezekiel's Wheel. A biblical prophet describes a craft of metal with wheels within wheels and beings of non-human form. Ancient vision or recorded encounter? Across indigenous cultures, North America, Australia, Africa, Pacific Islands, myths of sky people repeat with uncanny similarity. And then there is the Star Child skull, whose bone density, cranial shape, and DNA irregularities continue to defy human classification. When every continent tells the same story, how long can we still call it myth? These are not isolated anomalies. They are fragments of a global pattern, one that suggests Earth has been visited, guided, and perhaps altered by civilizations far older and far more advanced than our own. If true, everything changes: our history, our religions, our understanding of what humanity truly is. But the suppression continues, quietly, systematically. So the question becomes, will you look away or help uncover the truth? Join the Dark Fact Files community. Share your own findings. Follow the trail. Because the deeper we dig, the more undeniable the truth becomes. And this is only the beginning.